Did you know that agricultural machines are working day and night, non-stop, to dramatically increase productivity? Let's join B-Tech to discover the secret of how they work so incredibly effectively right here. With its compact size, the lawnmower can now flexibly move anywhere, cleaning every corner of the garden easily. With 24 plow blades, the machine creates quick drainage ditches, keeping the soil loose and ready for each watering. Abundant food is spread evenly, ready for the sheep to feast on. Robot arms harvest each Brussels sprout plant quickly and accurately, ready for a bumper harvest. The automatic harvester quickly bundles rice neatly, ready for a bumper harvest. This machine achieves impressive productivity, up to 4,000 bundles of sugar beets per hour, delivering outstanding efficiency. Earthworms are harvested in large quantities, ready to bring life to garden soil. Cows are secured on the truck, ready for hoof care, ensuring optimal health. Dried tree branches become neat and beautiful with just an automatic pruner, beautifying the living space. The smart scanner uses a modern camera to distinguish fruit colors, providing absolute accuracy for selection. As a garden cleaning tool, but with a larger house and plow, this combination is truly impressive and powerful. The seeds are meticulously sown right after the beds are formed, promising a promising harvest. Unique feeding trough made from a tire tractor, providing an innovative solution for livestock feeding. The intelligent robotic arm gently places each apple into the appropriate trays, bringing perfection to the harvesting process. Growing cherry tomatoes on special mulch from tomato planting boxes promises to bring delicious fruits to your garden. The impressive eating machine carries 20 large boxes, gliding at a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour, providing optimal work efficiency. Just like a vacuum cleaner, all the grains are quickly collected into the bags, providing neatness and efficiency. .25-meter-wide tractor, maximum productivity, outstanding power, helps you conquer every field quickly and effectively. This machine is super easy to use, helping you get the job done quickly and surprisingly effectively. Burrows quickly transports crates of fresh fruit from the field to the tractor. FarmBot automates the entire process, from sowing to harvesting, bringing a bountiful harvest full of excitement and efficiency. Tons of peanuts were harvested quickly, bringing great joy and success to the season. Take a closer look to discover what fun awaits. Magical magic that makes drip irrigation tape disappear from the ground, clean and tidy in a snap. Smart Sprayer accurately identifies plants, helping to maximize chemical savings. The roots are removed cleanly, ready for a promising new crop. No need to prune manually. This smart machine automatically identifies and quickly removes leaves. The pine cones are put into the machine. The seeds are extracted quickly and efficiently. It's amazing. Milk is pumped into each tray evenly and quickly, creating a perfect process. Amazing. These are the most modern agricultural machines, trusted and used by people. And you, which machine impresses you the most? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below.